Hey Aspen, we're going to work on lesson 115, renaming fractions. So this is very close to reducing or making them unreduced, so making them bigger. So like right here, they find the equivalent fraction of 1/4 whose denominator is 12. So you change the 4 to 12, you have to multiply it by 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, which means you need to do the same thing at the top. 1 times 3 is 3. So the new one is 3/12. So we're going to jump into it and we'll find the examples as we go along. Okay, so this is 115. If a can of soup costs $1.50 and serves 3 people, how much would it cost to serve 12? Okay, so we can do this by finding out how much it costs to serve 1. So 150 divided by 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times. Goes into 0 0 times. So it costs 50 cents to serve 1 person. So then we go 12 times 50 or times 5, 0.5, make sure you get that decimal point in there. 5 times 2 is 10, we carry it. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. There's 1 decimal point, so we're going to change that to make it a full dollar. So it's going to cost $6 to serve 12 people. The polygon at the right is divided into 2 rectangles. What is the perimeter of the figure? So the perimeter equals, we're going to start right here and work clockwise. Perimeter, we're adding all the sides. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 7 is 24 feet. The area, so we're going to break this into parts. Don't use the 5, because that's the whole way down. We're going to use the 2 feet and the 4 feet to find this rectangle right there. 4 times 2 is 8 square feet, plus the bottom rectangle, which is 7 times 3, which is 21 square feet. 21 plus 8 is 29 square feet. Okay, number 3. What number is 8 less than the product of 9 and 10? Write an expression. So, an expression means a number sentence. So first we have to go 9 times 10. Product is 9 times 10 minus 8 less, minus 8. So 9 times 10 is 90, minus 8 is 82. Number 4. Sanjay needs to learn 306 new words for the regional spelling bee. He has already memorized 2/3 of the new words. How many words does Sanjay need to memorize? Draw a picture to illustrate the problem. So this is where you do a box. So first we need to find out what 1/3 is. 306 divided by 3. 3 into 3 is 1. 3 into 0 is 0. Bring down the 6. 3 into 6 is 2. Minus 6 is 0. 102, 102, 102. Together that's 200. Oops, no. How many does he need to still need to memorize? My fault. He still needs to memorize 102 words. There we go. So he knows the top ones, but he needs to learn those. 5. Find the length of this line segment in centimeters. Find the length of this segment in millimeters. So it's about Look at it closely. It's after that middle line. So in centimeters, it's about 3.7 centimeters. And in millimeters, that means it's 37. Use words to write 356,420. 356,000, comma, 420. Which arrow could be pointing to 356,420? Okay, so we have to count first. So if this is 300,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means each line is another 20,000. Okay, so we know right away that D is impossible because it's too big. So if this was 320,000, A is too small. And this one's too close to 400,000. So if we look, this would be 320, 340, 360. So right between there would be 356,000. So the letter B for number 7. Number 8, complete each equivalent fraction. So this is what we talked about at the very, very beginning. So what did they do to get it up to 6? It's not adding, we had to multiply. 2 times what equals 6? So they had to multiply by 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. So the top we have to multiply by 3. 1 times 3 equals 6. So that is A. I got a little too big here. Let's do B. 1/3 times what got us to 6 on the bottom? Times 2. So we have to go times 2 on the top too, which means 2 6 for B. C. We started with 2/3. What did we have to multiply it to get 6 on the bottom? We had to multiply by 2 on that one too. 2 times 2 is 4. Got a little too close there. So the letter C is the 6th, 4/6. Write the reduced form of each fraction. So we have to reduce it now. So they're both divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 on the top. 6 divided by 2 is 3 on the bottom. This one we can divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is, is 3. If we look here, can we reduce that? We can't divide both by 2, and we can't divide both by 3. So that's as small as it can go at 9/16. Okay, number 10A. There were 40 workers on the job. Of those workers, 10 had worked overtime. What fraction of the workers had worked overtime? So we know that 10 out of 40 worked overtime. So we have to reduce it. That equals 1, if we divide by 10, we have 1/4. 1/4, think of quarters, is 25%. So this is A and this is B. Okay, how many different three-digit numbers can you write using the digits 6, 3, and 2? Each digit may only be used once. You do 11 on your own. Jamar received $10 for his birthday. Each year after that, he received one more than he did the previous year. He saved all his birthday money. In all, how much birthday money did Jamar have on his 15th birthday? Okay. So we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, I think. Oops, let's actually do this. 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13, 14, 15. There we go. Yep. Okay. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Yep. Because he started on his 10th birthday, not his first birthday. So how much does he have on his 15th birthday? $75. Whoopsies. You know what I did again, Aspen? I did on the wrong number because you're supposed to do 11 on your own. So write that answer for 12. Okay. Every morning, Marta walks 2.5 miles. How many miles does she walk in 2 mornings? This is 13. So 2.5 plus 2.5, half and half together equal 1. 1 plus 2 is 5 miles. Okay, you do 14 through 25 on your own. Number 26. If n is 16, then what does 3n equal? That means 3 times 16. 3 times 16 equals 48. In 3 classrooms, there were 18, 21, and 21 students. What is the average number of students per classroom? So first we have to add 18 plus 21 plus 21. 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 0. 2, 2, and 2 is 6 divided by 3. 60 divided by 3 is 20 students. And I'm going quicker to make sure I get these all done in time. Dylan's temperature is 99.8. Normal body temperature is about 98.6. Dylan's temperature is about how many degrees above normal body temperature? So we have to subtract 99.8 minus 98.6. He is 2 and 1 degree Fahrenheit, 1.2 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, estimate the perimeter and area of this piece of land. Each small square represents 1 circle. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The perimeter is about 19 miles. And the area, let's count the big ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's see if we can combine 19, 20, 21, about 22 square miles. If the arrow is spun, what is the probability that it will stop on a number greater than 5? So there are 8 total. How many are greater than 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop, greater than 5, so not 5. 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 8. Okay, go back up and do the facts. Check over your answers. Make sure you did 11 and 12 correctly, even though I did it. There's lesson 15.